Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. This week's PPF Pro Tip is coming to you live from Madison, Wisconsin. I've been working with Mike and Danielle from Power Clean Luxury Detailing. And in this video, I'm going to go over when is the right time to do relief cuts when doing a bulk paint protection film installation. So we have this Ford F-150 Shelby Super Snake right behind me. It's a very, very complex hood. As you can see, we got all kinds of contours. We got hood scoops over here. We got some hood scoops over here. And so we did a bulk PPF install because the pattern that Core had, and I'm gonna insert a photo of it in this video so you can see, they don't even recommend doing a pattern. So Core is being one of those top softwares out there for cutting paint protection film patterns. They don't even recommend using the pattern for these hoods. So what we ended up doing was we did a bulk installation. And when we did our bulk install, we had a ton of tension right across here, the film coming over across the front. And we needed that tension there. So because of these super sharp valleys over here, it's almost impossible to get the PPF to lay down there without running the risk of it popping up. So we ended up doing some relief cuts. In this video, I'm gonna show you how exactly I did that. And I hope you guys find some value in that. And like I said, this video is already being, this intro I'm doing right now is being filmed after when I actually did the actual installation. So hope you guys enjoy this video live on location. It's been a good 2 days working here with Mike and Danielle, and yeah, hope you guys find some value in this. Let me know in the comments down below. Okay, so if you come over here, you can see through the film, there is a hood scoop that goes here. Now, as you can see, we've got a ton of tension across the top over here, and this would be asking for an awful lot of the paint protection film to try and get that to sit down in there with a high probability that it's going to pop up down the road. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try and figure out where the center is. So it'll be right about there. And I'm just going to make a relief cut in here. This is going to help release some of that tension. There, that's good. Now, I'm gonna take my slip solution and I'm gonna spray a bunch of slip solution in here. Now you can see that this is all stuck over here. It's a pretty complex hood to do, so it takes time. So all I'm gonna do is pop this up. There we go. Film's not sticking to itself, which it wants to. There we go. That's good. Now we're going to get some slip solution on top of the film. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do a series of relief cuts. So I'm going to do a relief cut up here, and I'm going to come all the way down along that ridge, right down till here. So just very gently with my knife, I'm going to very gently score the film and come down along that ridge. That squealing sound is a good sound. Now I'm going to round it out a little bit, just like so. Now go, pick that up. Now I'm going to try and separate this. I'm coming up right over here to where I started. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and I'm going to continue from here right around this corner, and then I'm going to come down. Now that it's popped, or now that the film is off of the paint, I can use a bit more pressure to get the blade in there, and I'm going to link this cut right till here. There we go. That's what we want. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the exact same thing over here. You don't wanna rush yourself when you're doing this. Slowly around this corner here. There we go. Looking for a place where I can, there we go. Okay, now we found our top spot there. Just gonna come down over here, same thing, cut through and meet up there. And there we go. Now, we've got all this material to work with. I'm gonna put the knife away before I do something I don't want to do. Now what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna try and just massage the film down into place just with my hand. This is very tedious work. Yes, there is a PPF pattern for this hood, and I'm gonna link a screenshot of the core pattern in this video so you guys can see what the pattern says. And even on core it says recommend doing bulk installation because of how many curves and contours and valleys there are. So because the bottom is already locked down, everything has to come up. So I'm just gonna take my squeegee at an angle and I'm gonna take and push all this solution up. That's good for now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my tack solution, pull the film back, just like so. Squeegee that down. We still got a lot more trimming left to do, and that's fine. So just gonna go. Now I'll flush out this edge over here. I'll flush all the rest of the soap out. What I'm gonna do is squeegee all that down. Now, all that's left to do is just some finishing work here with trimming where the hood scoop is gonna go.